In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Jotform in Elementor. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. Whether you're enhancing a website for personal use or you're working on a client's site, this guide will help you integrate your forms effortlessly. First things first, start by logging into your Jotform account. If you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the All Forms section. This is where all your forms are stored. Find the form you want to embed in Elementor. Hover over it, and you'll see a couple of options appear. Click on More, then select Publish from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to the Publish settings of your form. Now, look under Platforms for WordPress. This is because Elementor is a WordPress plugin, and this integration is the key to embedding your form successfully on an Elementor design page. Once you're in the WordPress section, you'll see a unique shortcode provided by Jotform. Copy this shortcode. It acts as a bridge between Jotform and your WordPress Elementor site. Now, let's switch gears and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the WordPress site where Elementor is installed. From the dashboard, open the editor for the page or post where you want to place the form. Once you're in the page or post editor, click on Edit with Elementor. This option allows you to access the full power of the Elementor editor, furnishing you with an array of customization tools. Within Elementor, locate the section or area where you want your form to appear. If you don't have an existing section, you can create a new one by clicking on the plus icon and selecting a structure that suits your layout needs. Now, search for a widget called Shortcode from the Elementor panel. Drag and drop the Shortcode widget into your selected section. In the widget settings, you'll find a text box where you can paste the shortcode you copied earlier from Jotform. Once pasted, Elementor should automatically display your form right in the visual editor. It might take a few seconds to load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. After ensuring everything looks good and as you intended, hit Update to save your changes. This action will publish your page with the newly embedded form visible to all visitors. As a final tip, make sure to preview your page to check how the form integrates with your overall design. This ensures everything looks polished before it goes live. By following these steps, you've effortlessly brought together the powerful form building capabilities of Jotform and the versatile layout options of Elementor. Feel free to experiment with the position and styling to better match your site's design. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!